best one yet. That's it. Super phenomenal. That's it. Oh my, it's the best one yet. Sky full of stars aligning. I've never seen anything like it. Maybe it's just good timing, but I got a feeling this will be the best one yet. That's it. Super phenomenal.